I'm back with the mold that I made in the last video. And I'm going to brush this with mica powder and then pour some resin into it, probably white resin. I think I want to paint or color the moon pink on his face, a little bit of orange around his eyes maybe, and purple, like a light purple around the moon. And then I'm going to do the sky a gradient blue. Get some mica powders out. I'm going to be using sky blue, orchid, dark blue, dark violet, and medium purple. All right, I'm excited. Oh, tangerine also around his eyeballs. Got a bunch of brushes. One of these, more of those. Okay. All right, let's get to it. Sit down here where I can talk to you guys. Okay. Down here. Okay, we're going to color this guy in. So let's go with his face first. A little bit of orange around his eyeballs. And his nose and his lips. So orange. This is tangerine. Oh, I kind of want these colors to blend, so I'm gonna not be as careful this time as where I put them. They're sticking really well to this brand new mold. Spray a little bit of alcohol right here. And dip this makeup applicator in it. And go around here and wipe up where I don't want the orange. Okay, that looks pretty good. All right. Here's part of his face. Now let's do the orchid. And then from there, we'll go to medium purple and dark violet. Can we use a little bit bigger brush for this one? This is orchid. Let's give you a little bit more of a chin because you got a big old chin. We all know this. There you go, buddy. There you are. All right. Let's put on some medium purple. Medium purple. Oh, I haven't even opened this one yet. So open these really carefully because the powder will go everywhere if you're not careful. Ooh, I like this. It's like a silvery purple color. Should be perfect for a moon. And then for the dark accents, we'll use dark violet. Can we use this bigger brush for this part? Go around some dark violet. Just trying to make sure I get the mica powder all the way around the moon. I do want the whole edge of it to be dark violet. All right, I have completely made a mess. I'm gonna get some of my big wipes and a microfiber towel. Just gonna wipe this off where I don't want any color, any purple. So I want to make a night sky. Okay. I'm just gonna turn this over and tap it lightly on the bottom to get the rest of the mic out. Okay, there wasn't much, just a little. So, sky blue. Haven't opened yet. Be careful when you open these so that you don't get mica powder up in your face. So I'm going to do light blue down here at the bottom and dark blue at the very top. I just want to kind of blend it with the dark blue, so I'm just dragging it up real lightly. Okay, dark blue. I don't think I've opened this one either. This is just a day of opening things with you guys. Opened 3 of these mica powders. I'm going to be using these a lot more, so they need to be opened anyway. Just be careful when you open it again so that you don't, I'm not even going to open this one all the way. But be careful when you do open it so that you don't get mica powder in your face, because that does not come out of your lungs. Okay, dark blue at the top. I hope this looks as cool as it looks right now once I get done pouring my resin. I tap that. Leave my mold up a little bit, and then I'm going to make some resin, and I will be back. All right, the resin is ready. I'm going to move this aside just for a second so that I can mix this up. There's a few bubbles in there, but I'm not worried about those. Those will come out. So I don't know. I'm going to go with black, I guess. That's what everybody else uses. Do I want to use black or white? I'm trying to kill a gnat with my torch. He's harassing me. I could go with midnight blue. That could be pretty. Let's do midnight blue. Lots of midnight blue. Because we want it to be dark. And if it's not dark enough, I'll add a drop of black. It's pretty, but I'm not sure it's dark enough. It might be dark enough. I don't think it's dark enough. I'm going to add a little more midnight blue. When you're mixing in alcohol ink, make sure that you mix it really, really well, or you'll end up with streaks in your resin where the ink wasn't mixed in enough. I'm going to add a touch of black to that, like a drop, to make it a little more opaque. darken it up a little bit. Okay, that one drop of black darkened it up a whole lot. But that's okay. It's what we wanted. It's what I want. I hope this is enough. I mixed up 7 ounces of a resin. So make sure I have all my colors mixed in really, really well. Okay. That's pretty. It's like a really dark navy blue color. All right, let's bring this guy back over here. Okay, here we go. I think I'm going to end up with just enough. Whoops. Or a little extra, actually. So, what will I do with the extra? I'll pour it into, scoop that up, this moon mold. Can always use these for some sort of jewelry or something. It's really easy to over pour this last little one because it's so tiny. Try not to. All right, I'll see you guys in 12 hours for the demold. Oh, wait. Before I go, I got to spray these with alcohol to get rid of surface bubbles. Okay. Let's demold this. It's been 24 hours. It's the next day. This is hard. So let's see what this looks like. It comes out really easily. Oh, look. Nice. Came out really pretty. I don't see as much of the, I think I'm going to use fuchsia next time instead of the orchid right here. I do like it though. It's really pretty. Like the blue. Yeah, I like this. Came out really well. Okay, let's look at the original and compare them. Scoot this over here for a second. Okay, so here's the one that we just poured with mica powders. And here's the original. The original is really cool. I like the iridescence on it. But okay, so there they are. The original and the one that we made using the mold that we made from this original. Let's look at the mold. What shape is it in? Mold looks good. A little bit of mica powder there, but that should come out. There's some here. Yeah, those will just come out. All right. Thank you guys for being here with me yet again. Thank you for going through this process of making the mold and then casting a moon from the mold that we made. I had a lot of fun with this one. So come back and see me next week. I don't know what I'll be doing. Who knows? I never know. but you'll have to come back to find out. Please hit the like button down below. Don't forget to do that if you like the video. And even if you didn't like the video, just do it. I mean, come on. What can it hurt? It can't hurt anything. And then be sure and subscribe. Thank you very much once again for being here. I'll see you guys next week. Stay creative. Goodbye. You guys, I forgot to unmold the moons. Black moon, black moon, black half moon, crescent. All right, see you guys next time. Thanks for being here. These all came out great. Fantastic. No spillage, no bubbles. Good times. I'm happy. I'm going to use these in some other project, so stay tuned. See you next time.